Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and report categories. So to get here, you're going to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Then you're going to go to your menu icon here at the top left, and then you're going to go to account menu. All the way down here on the bottom of the left menu is bulk editor. Once you go here, you're going to have record type as an option. And that gives you what category you want to go into and bulk edit. I'm not going to go over every single one of these in this video. I separate these out into each individual video. We're going to do report categories today. If you want to see one of these other categories, please see my other videos. So on report categories, there's not a whole lot to change here. You can, if you have a bunch, which some places use just like a family group type thing, like food, liquor, beer, wine, and some places have a lot of different report categories. There's no wrong way to use them. It's just all up to your establishment and your preferences. Now, if you're one of those places that likes to have a bunch, has things really sorted and organized in it, then this search bar will help you search through all those. Otherwise, most places are probably just all going to fit on this one screen here. So there's no need to really search. Now you can add new if you want to add a new one, and delete if you want to delete it, and then you can bulk edit the names. That's about the only thing you can do in here on the report categories. So when you make changes, don't forget to hit the save icon and hit the publish icon. And I hope this helps, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.